Motorcycle manufacturing is deceptively complex. While a motorcycle might appear to be a simple assembly of components, behind its sleek design lies one of the most intricate and challenging manufacturing processes in the industrial world. The journey of a motorcycle begins with an idea. Engineers collaborate to determine the core requirements: power output, weight, range, cost. Once the requirements are clear, the design phase begins using advanced CAD, computer-aided design software. Moving from digital design to tangible assets, prototypes are constructed to test the viability of the design. Prototypes undergo rigorous testing, stress testing, performance evaluation, durability assessment. Mass production begins with careful management of the supply chain, supplier coordination, inventory management. World-class manufacturing methods employ state-of-the-art technologies, casting and molding, CNC machining, robotic automation. Every manufactured part undergoes stringent quality control checks. Bringing a motorcycle to market is not just a technical endeavor, it involves significant financial planning, investment in R&D, capital in tooling and equipment. Launching a motorcycle requires seamless coordination between different business units: marketing and sales, customer support. The manufacturing of a motorcycle is a testament to modern industrial capability and organization.